Gwenge ma kokadho na chumbi piny owacho bwo Coast Waterworks Development Agency sani dhi nyime gi keto sola kar keyo pi mabar richo mantiere kaunti ma Kilifi mageto duoko chien kwan omenda magisebedo ka gichulo kambi ma keyo teko stima pacho kaendi Kenya Power e gwenge mag Mombasa kod Kilifi. Jata chenro mag gedo Medusa David Kanuni koni Coast Water osebedo ka chulo Kenya Power omenda mar shillings milion 60 dwe ka dwe, ka koro geno margi ni omenda no biro dok chien kod milion 10 ka gedo no biro bedo ka oserumo. Chenro mag gedo no mosir gi bengi ma piny ma World Bank ochako dwe mar 10 ga mokadho kendo biro muonyo omenda mar shillings milion 670 e telo mokwongo mano phase 1.
For the past, we have had a lot of challenges with the Kenya Power because of the high electricity bills, because this water is pumped from the boreholes, then it is pumped again to the consumers in Mombasa and Kilifi counties. So because of that, there has been a lot of challenges. The bills are very high. Currently, the bill is about 60 million Kenya shillings per month. So we have been having donors, especially our development partner is World Bank and others, the EFD and all that. But World Bank agreed to finance this as part of the Water and Sanitation Development Project, WSDP. This plant has a capacity of 4.6 megawatts, the solar system. After it is completed, the power bill will reduce by 10 million shillings per month.
By the end of this month, we should commission the first phase of it, the first phase of phase 1, and then now we can now finish the other one by mid-February. The purpose of this particular project is to cut costs so that we can take care of the environment. They want to be in that green space.